Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Audio Centre, and today we're going to be unboxing the Kenwood DMX7017DABS. Now this unit has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, DAB radio, Bluetooth music streaming. It's one of our best selling units. It has been for the past couple of years, so we're going to get it unboxed and show you everything that you'll get in the box if you order one. So first thing in the box is the Kenwood GPS. And you have a 1 meter USB cable. Standard Kenwood AV wiring loom. Microphone. It also comes with a very slimline holder and a sticky pad. You got a manual pack, and in there you've also got the GPS sticky pad and also a pair of release keys. And as you open the top flap, just to reveal the unit, you get your trim, Kenwood's always come very well packaged. I've never had one out of the box yet that's been damaged in transit. They always come with a sticky cover that goes over the front of the screen just to protect all of the buttons in the screen. Now when peeling this off, do be careful that you don't pull on it hard enough to rip any of the buttons off. The cage on this unit always comes back to front from Kenwood. They always put it on back to front, but it's quite easy to take off and swap around for when you actually install it. Now on the back of this unit, starting from the top left hand side, you have your video input for reverse camera and also a video output if you're connecting to another rear monitor. You have your remote control input, which is for your steering controls, microphone, a GPS. This unit also has dash cam control, so you can buy the optional Kenwood dash cam and connect into this, and it allows you to control it through the screen. And you've got a USB connection, the Kenwood ISO loom. It also has an AV input, which is directly used for the dash cam mainly. Then just below that you've got an AV audio output. You have the DAB connection, FM connection, and also 3 pre-outs. So you've got rear, front and subwoofer. This unit has a very nice screen, has lower buttons across the bottom, which is your volume, attenuate for mute, your home button, a menu button. This button is mainly used for voice activation or for flicking between Android Auto and your current source, and also an AV button. So here's just a quick overview of everything that you'll get in the box of a DMX7017DAB. If you do have any questions on what parts you need for your vehicle, if you want to fit a unit the same as this or similar, please comment down below or get in touch with us through our website, which is caraudiocentre.co.uk. We'll be happy to help.